Before the video starts, I have a big surprise for you all, which I will reveal in the middle of the video. Land Shark, 2020, directed by Chung Siu, is a Chinese science fiction thriller that dives into the chaos caused by a genetically modified shark. Combining elements of horror, suspense, and survival, the film offers a tense narrative about a dangerous scientific experiment gone awry. The story begins in a high-tech laboratory where a team of scientists, led by Dr. Chen, is working on a groundbreaking project. Their aim is to genetically modify marine life to survive in extreme environments. To achieve this, they choose a shark as their test subject, infusing it with various genes to enhance its adaptability and intelligence. The project, funded by a powerful corporation, is cloaked in secrecy. Dr. Chen is initially optimistic about the experiment, seeing it as a way to revolutionize marine biology. However, some team members, particularly her colleague Dr. Jiang, express concerns about the potential risks. Despite their warnings, the corporation pressures the team to proceed, ignoring ethical considerations. The experiment proves successful, but the consequences are catastrophic. The genetically modified shark, now highly intelligent and aggressive, manages to escape its containment. It wreaks havoc in the lab, killing several researchers before making its way into the nearby waters. The corporation, desperate to cover up the incident, downplays the situation. They assure the public that there is no threat, but internally they assemble a covert team to track and eliminate the shark. Dr. Chen, guilt-ridden over the disaster, insists on joining the mission to rectify her mistakes. The shark begins terrorizing the coastal region, attacking fishermen, swimmers, and anyone who ventures near the water. Its enhanced abilities make it nearly impossible to capture or kill. Local authorities struggle to contain the panic, as reports of the shark's attack spread like wildfire. In one particularly harrowing scene, a group of tourists on a yacht becomes the shark's prey. Despite their efforts to fend it off, the shark's cunning and power prove too much. This sequence establishes the shark as an almost supernatural force of nature. Dr. Chen and her team, including marine biologist Zhang Wei and ex-soldier Captain Li, embark on a mission to locate and neutralize the shark. Armed with cutting-edge technology and weapons, they venture into the shark's territory. As the team searches for the shark, tensions rise. Zhang Wei criticizes Dr. Chen for her role in creating the monster, while Captain Li warns the team about underestimating the shark's intelligence. These interpersonal conflicts add depth to the narrative, highlighting the moral and emotional toll of their situation. The shark proves to be a formidable opponent, outsmarting the team at every turn. It attacks their boat, forcing them to retreat to a nearby island. Stranded and vulnerable, the team realizes that the shark is not just hunting them, it is toying with them. On the island, the team discovers a small group of survivors from previous shark attacks. Among them is a young boy who witnessed his family being killed by the shark. His story fuels the team's determination to stop the creature, but it also underscores the emotional weight of their mission. Now it's time for the surprise. We will be gifting 10 USDT to 10 of our first 1,000 subscribers. So make sure to subscribe and then let us know in the comments. After regrouping, the team devises a plan to lure the shark into a trap using a combination of explosives and decoys. The plan is fraught with risks, but they have no other option. The climax of the movie is an intense battle between the team and the shark. The team manages to wound the shark, but not without suffering casualties. Zhang Wei sacrifices himself to protect the others, while Captain Li is gravely injured. Dr. Chen faces the shark in a final showdown, using her scientific knowledge to exploit its weaknesses. In a heart-pounding sequence, she detonates the explosives, killing the shark and narrowly escaping with her life. In the aftermath of the battle, the surviving team members return to the mainland. Dr. Chen, though hailed as a hero, is haunted by guilt over the lives lost. She vows to dedicate herself to preventing such disasters in the future. The corporation, meanwhile, faces public outrage as the truth about the experiment is revealed. Legal action is taken against its executives, marking a small victory for accountability. Land Shark is a thrilling, if somewhat formulaic, entry in the creature feature genre. Its blend of action, suspense, and moral inquiry makes for an engaging narrative. While the film's special effects and character development may not rival Hollywood blockbusters, it succeeds in delivering a tense and thought-provoking story.